There's a Claude Code plugin with 22,600 stars that writes diagrams for you, and its own GitHub page can't agree on how many diagram types it actually has. It's called Diagram Design. One skill installed the same way in Claude Code, Codex, or a tool called Pi. Ask for an architecture diagram and it doesn't just draw boxes. It reads your actual website, pulls your real colors and fonts, and checks the contrast against accessibility guidelines before it writes a single line. First time you use it on a new project, it stops and asks you, run onboarding, paste your own colors, or just use the defaults. Here's the part nobody selling you this tool would point out. GitHub's own description box says 27 diagram types. The README you'd actually read says 28, 3 separate times. And if you count the table yourself, like I just did, it's 29. 3 numbers, same repository. Nobody updated all of them when a new diagram type shipped. The docs are honest about its limits though. It tells you flat out not to use it for a quick list, a one-box diagram, or a before and after. Use a table for that instead. And when it reads an existing Mermaid or draw.io file to redraw it, it says exactly what it does with that file. Parses the text only. No rendering, no JavaScript, no network call, nothing gets executed. That's a real boundary, written down, not just implied. 22,600 stars, MIT licensed, and, depending which part of its own page you believe, 27, 28, or 29 diagram types. Links below if you want to check the count yourself. If this helped, hit like and subscribe. More of this every day. Full breakdown and more Claude Code tools on the channel. Watch next.